to my channel. So in today's video we'll be doing Abelewalls, a popular Ghanaian ice cream on the street. So let's get right into the video. So in a bowl, add in your condensed milk. That is 1 cup of condensed milk and 160 grams of evaporated milk. You then go ahead and add in your milk powder, your cornstarch and your salt, and also add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So the cornstarch is going to make the ice cream very creamy and heavy as well. So you add in everything and stir gently until you get that smooth texture. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of water to it because for me the condensed milk contains a lot of sugar, so I would dilute it with a little bit of water. You can choose not to do it. After getting that smooth texture, you can then pour your ice cream into your ice cream containers and put it in a refrigerator for the ice cream to freezing up for at least 8 hours or overnight. And there we have our simple homemade Abelewalls. Try this recipe and leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, share and like, and leave a comment down below, and also click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching today's video.